Hey, it's Ian, and today I have the high-powered rotary car vacuum with accessories. Now let me show you why I'm super excited about this one. Now first of all, this may look small, but let me assure you, this is powerful. Just look how easily this instantly sucks away the mess. Now my favorite part is the rotating handle, which makes this ergonomic and comfortable to use. Not only that, but this allows me to reach into those tight spaces that other vacuums can't reach. Now what makes this super great for the car is it's compact and cordless, so when I make a mess, I can instantly grab it and clean it up without having to lug out those bulky house vacs. But not only is this perfect for your car, this also works wonders around the house, especially because of the crevice and brush tool. This makes getting in between cushions of your couch and your car a breeze. Not to mention, the brush tool picks up pet hair like no other. Now when you need to empty it, simply twist off the front, remove the filter, and dump it. And to reassemble it, put the filter back in and twist the front back on, making sure you hear that snap. Now I also want to mention that the filter is a high quality washable HEPA filter, and you get 2 of them, along with a brush to help clean them. Now this unit is rechargeable thanks to the included USB charging cable. Now I can't stress how powerful this compact vacuum is. And like I said, this is perfect for almost anywhere. Now we have an incredible deal on the site that you're not going to want to miss out on. So head on over there and grab yours today.